Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. So today I'm going to show you how you can add a YouTube video in Wixsite. So let's say you want to add or show users of your website, of your new website, newly built website, a video from YouTube, or maybe you're having a channel of YouTube or you want to show someone else YouTube video on your site. It can be of any category, any industry, any niche. So you want to add it on your one of your page. So what you need to do is you just click on add right on, and in my editor I'm going to show you the tutorial. Basically click on video, then just click on single video and YouTube. I'm not going to structure it properly, just ignore this. You can anyways learn the design or learn from the web how to design it. Don't go on my design that how I am design this. Don't judge this design. Basically it's the only for the tutorial purpose only. So here it is, and click on change the video, and here you can see you have a bunch of the other options. You can also upload from your computer. Basically you can select the option and you can upload it from your computer, basically YouTube. Okay, so what we will do is you can change the address here. Now let's say we just search for like Wix video anything. Okay, let's see if here we are getting any video or not. No. Mm, no, I think I need to go to YouTube. Basically
Hi.
okay, I got to another video basically like this. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching.